Alrighty, guys and gals, welcome to another episode of Opa's Vintage Garage. So today I'm going to try doing a cold start on this old guy. This is our 1936 John Deere. 1936 John Deere. She's a little stubborn, but we'll see. I think I got a little work to do on the magneto. It looks like the sediment bowl's got a little bit of garbage in there, but it's not bad. There's the back view of it. So, well, let's see if we can get you set up here and do ourselves a cold start. Okay, well that looks like a good spot to put you. And make sure we're rolling. Alrighty. Alright, let's get the gas turned on. Alright, we've got fuel flowing. Alright, choke down. Notice I usually try to keep this petcock closed. I open up the other one just so I don't get sprayed with gas eventually. Okay. She's in the mood to start. Choke. That's what I was afraid of. Okay, well, put a little more gas in this baby and get her back in. But good place for it to run out of fuel, I guess. So, a little history on this tractor. Bought it in 1983. I'm actually the third owner. Original owner's from Waterville, Iowa. Fella bought it from him, and I think he may have painted it as well when he bought it in 82. He bought it to use it for pulling, so he did a overhaul on it, put oversized pistons in it, and I remember when he took this to a tractor pull, it actually it stalled about halfway through the pull, and I was looking for an A John Deere, an unstyled A John Deere, and he put it on like a local swap shop. Called, and I recognized his voice, and I said, "Hey, are you so-and-so?" "Yep." And drove over to his place that same day. We made a deal, and I bought it. I'm trying to remember what I paid for this tractor in 83. It was either $600 or $800. I can't remember. It was a premium, but it, as you can see, it does run pretty well. The old one of the snake treads did blow out, so I bought those rear tires. I got the mate for the other side as well. Bought those tires like in 85, I think, intending on changing them sooner than later. Well, like most, I waited till the one side blew out, put that tire on. They're pretty weather checked, but you know, they do hold air, and I've pulled a few things out with this tractor, and they really dig, those co-op tires really dig in there, which is good. But the snake tread's not bad either. Anyway, so I do a quick video on a cold start. It proved me wrong. It actually started up pretty well, considering I believe I started this last in July, August, September, October. So yeah, it has been started about 3 months or so, and it started up pretty well. I think I think I could probably replace, I don't know about replace, but do a quick overhaul on the mag. Sometimes I think that mag doesn't quite have a hot enough spark to get it started. Now this morning it started up just fine, you know, like normal. I think when I tried to start it in July, it was pretty humid that day. That doesn't help. But anyway, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Nice little ride along. I'm gonna put some fuel in it and get it parked back in the shed. So thanks for watching. Again, you know, please comment. Give me some of your stories of an A John Deere unstyled 36, and I'd love to hear about them. Oh, also, you know, before I forget, I do have a 2-bottom plow for this tractor that I bought at a farm sale, and bought this 2-bottom plow at a farm sale. It's same vintage as the tractor, 30s, mid to late 30s. I actually forgot I had this plow, and I was cleaning out an area because I wanted to open up a feed bunk, and lo and behold, this thing pops up. Completely forgot. I paid little or nothing for it. If I paid 20 to 40 bucks, I'd be surprised. No one bid on it, and I said, I'll take it if somebody puts it onto my trailer. He said, yep, we got a tractor, and they put it on my trailer, and then I parked it by a feed bunk and literally found it maybe 3-4 years ago. Pulled it in the shed. It's pretty much ready to go. All I have to do is just clean up the shares themselves, and I should be able to pull it with that A hopefully I get that B going. I pull that with the B, but I still got to get those pistons freed up. But anyway, hey, thanks for watching. God bless. Have a great day.